Sign off recording.
Can someone please record the session?
He has started the recording now.
Okay, that's perfect. So I'm talking about you need to create a new project file. How we can create file and create new project. So we need to give the name of this project like Ramzan, Ramzan Research Group 2. So we have already uh, the same name project Ramzan Research Group. So we need to give the different name. So I have given 2. So it will create the differentiation. Okay. So yes, I have created this Ramzan Research Group 2. Now in the there are sub options, subheadings like double click to import data. And this is the diagram file where we need to draw the latent variable. So I need to import the data file. How I can import the data file? Double click to import data file. I just double click and I need to go in the data folder. Yes, I have this data file, CSV file I have converted previously from SPSS into CSV file extension. So I just click this smart PLS data file, open it and okay. Oh yes, my goodness. Software has automatically imported the data and also applied the descriptive statistics, mean, median, minimum, maximum, standard deviation, and all these kinds of things. So now there are two things in that particular Ramzan Research Group 2. The first thing is data file and the second thing is the area where I need to draw the model. I need to draw the latent variable. So this is particular file associated with the area. So I need to click on this Ramzan Research Group 2. So here you can find a symbol of a particular construct. So like this. This is the circle and here these are two indicators. So circle is the construct or a variable and these are two questions or you can say the uh, two indicators. For example, SQ1 and this one is SQ2. So we can measure SQ with two indicators, software quality with two questions. So this symbol is the same. If you find this symbol, this particular symbol, this one. So I need to click this particular option of this particular symbol. There are two options. One is for data file and second one is for drawing. So I need to click on drawing file. If I double click on this drawing file, oh yes, my goodness, the area is blank. If you have already defined this area, you need to click, just select, press delete button from your keyboard, delete them. So we are going to do the exercise practically, hands-on practical exercise on Smart PLS software. So what I need to do here, I need to Google the mediated moderation. Mediated moderation, just Google it. Yeah, Google it, moderated mediation model. Mediated moderation model. There are different models on the right side. And for example, I have this model. We have already done. We did, I think, yesterday or before that, yes, 2 days back. Yesterday, we also did this particular model. But today, I need to repeat this model. And This is also model. Today we are going to do this model. There are two moderator, and this is also very complicated model. This is the statistical model. So in statistical model, this is what we are going to draw on Smart PLS software. This is also the very important model, and in the same time, one variable can be independent, and and the same variable can be the moderator.
Moderate.
So this is also model we are going to test today, inshallah. And this is what we can also test it with the three categories. So there are different models we are going to test one by one. So these are the models we already uh, we already did our practice, but today we can also do the same because you are doing your practice. So yesterday I was feeling that I'm just doing my work, but you people are not doing, you are just watching. And somebody was saying, oh Usman, are you recording the video or recording the session? So it's mean you are not doing the same things. So maybe I was performing the steps very quickly, but now today I was thinking about that hands-on practical sessions are very important. If you are involved in doing practically, then you will learn a lot. So today, slowly I will convey, and you people, what I'm expecting from you people, you should also do the same exercise. So I will also use some print screen option to capture this picture, and also use some razor to remove the different variables. So today what I'm going to do here is uh, this is my model. I need to draw the first type of model. This is I need to draw one by one. So this is the model, and if I copy this model, copy image, and I want to bring it in Paint. In Paint, and here I need to change the names of these variable. For example, here we have software quality as independent variable. Here the service quality, this variable is um like information quality, and this variable is moderating variable is individual performance. So the moderator variable is individual performance, mediator variable is information quality, and dependent variable is outcome variable is service quality. Here there are different symbols C dash, and this one is A I or A1. We can also say A1, and this one is, we can say, B1. So if I need to, this is the case of mediation with moderation. So that's why we say this particular model as moderated mediation model. Moderated mediation model. So you need to learn and you need to memorize. Just isko ratta laga le, just you need to memorize and capture this particular picture in your mind. Where is information quality, where is service quality, where is software quality? Just memorize this picture, then believe me, in the next step will be very most easier steps as compared to this particular condition. So you need to just memorize it.
Sir, we can't hear you. Leo, are you there,
I'm
sir?
not speaking. I'm not speaking. I'm not speaking. I
Okay,
have
okay.
given you the time. Just you need to apply retalization. You need to memorize it. So our independent variable is service quality. Our dependent variable is, our independent variable is software quality. Our dependent variable is service quality. And our mediator is information quality. Our moderator is individual performance. So you need to memorize the places of different variable. Who is the mediator? Who is the dependent? Who is the independent variable? You need to just memorize it. It will be more easier for you to understand the next steps. Okay, that was our conceptual model. This is the conceptual model. I need to underline it. On the dependent variable. Because we need to put 3 arrows. One arrow of moderator on dependent variables. We are going to declare this variable as dependent variable. Information quality is no longer mediator. Now it is information quality is dependent variable. So software quality is already independent variable. This is already independent variable software quality. You can see, and individual performance is already moderating variable. Now we have 3 variable in this model. One variable is independent variable software quality. The second variable is dependent variable, which is information quality, dependent variable, and the moderator is individual performance. So we already put 2 arrows. We need to put 3 arrows. What will be the third arrow? Because we are creating we are making this statistical model. So in statistical model, we need to put 3 arrows. So the third arrow will be the arrow for the interaction term. We need to create the interaction term. How I can create it? Individual performance. Individual performance multiply by software quality. And this is the interaction term. So I need to put my arrow, one more arrow on the dependent variable. So that would be the statistical model for the moderation. One variable is independent. Who is the independent? Software quality. One variable is dependent. Which one is the dependent variable? Information quality. And the third variable is moderator. Which one is the moderator? Individual performance. So this is the statistical model, and Fiaz can also help us. Uh, which model is here in this particular, like Hayes model we are going to draw? I think fourth model, seventh model. Yes, this one. So here we created this situation. We have put 3 arrows on dependent variable. The first arrow of independent variable, IV on dependent variable. Now we are not creating this as a mediator. We are creating is as dependent variable. We are assuming that this variable is not existing. So this one is the dependent variable, this one is the independent variable, and this W is the moderator, moderating variable. So we need to put 3 arrows for this statistical model. The first arrow is starting from the independent variable on dependent variable. The second arrow starting from moderator to dependent variable. The third arrow is the interaction term, where we multiply independent variable with the moderator. So we create this particular statistical model. Now this is the time to practically execute this particular model, and I need your full attention, please. You need to draw the diagram here in Smart PLS. So I believe you people are doing this same practice, and you need to draw the latent variable. Where is the latent variable? Latent variable is the factor or unobserved variable or the qualitative variable. I need to select this particular latent variable. This one, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have 4 latent variable. Now one by one, we need to create the link. This one is the moderator. So, and this is what we are going to do. This is the statistical model, because we are going to draw the, we are going to apply the statistical technique. So how we can create this statistical model? This is basically the diagram for creating the statistical model. So we need to create the links first, the relation starting from independent variable on mediator, and then mediator on dependent variable, and then independent on dependent variable, and moderator on the mediator or dependent variable. For example, this is also the dependent variable. And now we need to create the interaction. So before going for the interaction, we need to put the indicators in these latent variable and also we need to rename. We need to change the names. So just select and right click. You need to change these variable, the name of these variable. The first variable is software quality, and the dependent variable is service quality, and the mediator is uh, in information quality. And the moderator is individual performance. I believe you people have done that. If you have given the names of these variable, then we are going to perform the next step. Yes, please. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we need to put the indicators of the latent variable. How we can put the indicator? On the left side, we have different indicators, SQ1 to SQ11. We need to select all the indicators and put on software quality. Now we have another indicator, IQ. IQ mean information quality. We need to select them and put on information quality. Similarly, we need to put the service quality items on serve queue service quality. So here we have also the mediating variable, which is the individual performance. I need to select this particular IP, individual performance, on this particular moderating variable. So similarly, I need to align their indicator. Now this is the time to create the interaction term. Interaction is equal to independent variable multiply by moderator. So we need to multiply the independent variable with moderator. So how we can create the interaction term? We create, normally we right click on the dependent variable. So here we need to declare this particular variable as dependent variable, and this one is independent variable, this one is moderator. So don't remember and don't think about this variable, just forget about this particular variable. Now we have three variable: independent variable, dependent variable, and moderating variable. So now we are going to create the more interaction term. We right click on the dependent variable, just right click on the dependent variable, add moderating effect, add moderating effect. Software will ask you that which one is the dependent, which one is the moderator, and which one is the independent variable. Software will ask about only two variable, moderator and independent variable, because software already know about the dependent variable, because we right click on the dependent variable. So software has already declared it, the dependent variable, the information quality, as the dependent variable. Here you can see that dependent variable is information quality. So software has already declared it. We cannot click or we cannot change it, but we can change or select the moderating variable. Here there is an option. If we click on this particular option, this is the drop down list, and there are two options. The first option is individual performance, second one is software quality. So we need to select the moderating variable here in this option. So which one is the moderator? This one is the moderator. M is the moderator, M is the individual performance. So we need to select here moderator as individual performance as moderator. Oh, sorry, M. I need to put M, moderator as individual performance. I have selected this moderator. So now this is the time to select the independent variable as well. So which one is the independent variable? Software quality is the independent variable. So now I need to select independent variable software quality. So I have selected software quality as independent variable. This one is dependent variable. Okay. So now I need to click OK. So now we have 3 arrows, and all the 3 arrows are hitting the dependent variable. One arrow is from independent variable to dependent variable, second arrow from moderator to dependent variable, and third arrow from the interaction term. And how we can create the interaction term? Interaction, if I show the indicator of interaction term, so interaction term mean interaction is the product of if we multiply the software quality with individual performance. This is the product, and this is the we multiply software quality, or software quality is the independent variable and individual performance is the moderator, and moderator is individual performance. So we multiply SQ with individual performance. Individual performance is moderator, and SQ is independent variable. So we can have the product interaction term. So there are 3 arrows, and all the 3 arrows are hitting the uh, dependent variable. So similarly, we can find that if you are going to create the moderating effect, you need to put 3 arrows on the dependent variables. So we already discussed it here, that you need to put 3 arrows. One arrow from moderator to dependent variable, one arrow from independent variable to dependent variable, and one arrow from the interaction, where we multiply the moderator with the independent variable. So we multiply the both variable. This is the interaction term. So there are 3 arrows. 3 arrows are hitting the dependent variable. So similarly, this one is the statistical model. We have drawn the statistical model on Smart PLS software. So Smart PLS software is actually the technique, statistical technique. So this is the reason we have applied the statistical model here. So now this is the time to calculate the estimate. How we'll calculate the estimate? Calculate and bootstrap and start calculation. Okay, that's goodness. All the variables have positive except the moderator, and all the hypotheses are accepted. Moderation is also accepted because its value is less than 0.05, but unfortunately its value is in negative. It is creating the negative influence between independent and dependent variable. So if we go back to the uh, what I say, this conceptual model, we can see the results that this is the negative moderation. We have found the negative moderation, and how we can interpret the findings. Individual performance uh, create the negativity between software quality and information quality. So it creates the negative impact, negative relationship, or you can say that it will reduce the relationship between software quality and information quality. It will reduce, but not too much. So because its value is very small. its value is, this is the beta value 0.056. So we can also see this particular beta value here. We need to put the path coefficient p value and path coefficient value. So this one is the moderating effect. This is the interaction term moderation, moderating effect, and this is very weak effect, minus 0.056, but it is statistical significant because p value is less than 0.05. P value is 0.04, which is statistically significant. So our hypothesis is accepted, but the direction of the hypothesis is different. So it is the negative. So it creates the negative influence between the two variables. So now after creating this particular model, we are going toward the next more complicated models. So now I believe that you people have done this particular model. Okay. We have 12 members other than me. That's great. So now this is the time to move toward the next model, this particular model. So this is another case, but in this case, if I copy this image and I put, for the understanding purposes here, I believe that the previous one you already you have mentioned on the paper, and if you will save me, then I can save this file and later on share with you. Otherwise, no need to share. I believe that you people have mentioned and note all the points of the paper. So I just need to put this particular model, another model. This is also the example of
Sir.
moderated mediation. Yes, please.
Excuse me, sir. In the case of moderated mediation, if the moderator comes after the mediator, that is denoted with the symbol V. If it comes before the mediator, that is denoted with by the symbol W. So there should be V instead of W.
Okay, thank you very much for the guidance. We can remove it and we can put according to the Hayes model, V instead of W. So this is fine. Now we are going to put this particular, we are going to test this particular model. Here now the scenario is will be different, not the same. Now I need to just put this particular information quality here as the mediator, and individual performance as moderator. This one is the individual performance as moderator, and software quality as independent variable. Software quality as independent variable, and service quality as dependent variable. We have just shift the moderator's position. All the model is the same. So previously this particular moderation was before mediator. Now it is after mediator. So now the case will be different. How? This is basically the conceptual model, and we are going to convert this conceptual model into the statistical model. I just copy and paste it and replaced it. This one. Now this is the statistical model. We are going to draw the statistical model. Okay, I need to change the color green and underline. That's perfect. So now I need to just remove this particular independent variable. I need to detach it. Just forget about this independent variable. Now for the moderator, we are going to declare this variable as independent variable. This one is the independent variable, and now this one is the dependent variable, and V is the moderator, moderating variable. So what we are going to draw here in this smart PLS software, we need to select this moderating effect and delete it, because this is the moderating. If we are not going to test this particular moderation before mediator, so we need to select delete button. I have deleted the moderator. Now I need to delete this arrow, because now what will be the case according to statistical model, what we are going to draw here, we are going to draw this arrow on dependent variable, this particular arrow, one arrow from moderator to dependent variable. So I can remove this particular arrow. Because in statistical model, we put the arrow from starting from the moderator and we put on the dependent variable. So the second arrow is this arrow. This is already done. And there would be the third arrow. So you people know about the third arrow. What will be the third arrow? In the third arrow, we need to multiply the moderator with the dependent variable. So here we multiply by m. We multiply by m, or in another words, we can multiply information quality multiply by individual performance. So individual performance is the moderator, and information quality is the independent variable. So we multiply these variable. So I may remove this m. M mean not the mediator. M mean independent variable. So normally we multiply independent variable multiply by moderating variable. So here the moderator is V, or you can say, if I think this point is clear to you. So this one is the statistical model, and we are going to draw this model on smart PLS software. So I believe you people are doing the same exercise, because I'm doing slowly. So I need to delete this particular line, this particular relationship, and now I need to put this variable here in this position, because we are going to test the relationship of individual performance and how it will affect between the relationship of information quality, which is the independent IV. So forget about this variable, independent variable. Forget about this. This one is IV. This one is DV, dependent variable. And this one is the moderating variable. So for statistical model, we need to put 3 arrows on this dependent variable. One arrow from moderator to dependent variable, second arrow from uh, independent variable to dependent variable, and the third arrow will be IV multiplied by M on dependent variable. So we need to put the 3 arrows. So now this arrow we have already, the arrow from information quality to service quality mean the arrow from independent variable to dependent variable. So we are lacking this particular arrow, the arrow from moderator to dependent variable. So we have put this particular arrow, but there is a missing of interaction term. So how we can calculate the interaction term? We right click on the dependent variable and select and add moderating effects. Add moderating effect. Now here we need to put the different variable. So service quality is already dependent variable. This one is already, it has declared as dependent variable. I don't know what is the problem. Okay. Yes, this one. So this is the already independent, dependent, and moderating variable. So I need to right click and add moderating effect. Now this is the time to provide the information. Which one is the dependent variable? Dependent variable is service quality. So software has already defined this service quality as dependent variable. We cannot change it because we right click on the dependent variable, software automatically understand that this one is the dependent variable. So no need to put or give the information about this dependent variable because software knows that soft service quality is the dependent variable. No need. There is a need to put the information about independent variable and moderating variable. So here we need to put the 2 information. So which one is the moderator? Which one is the moderator? Individual performance. Individual performance is the moderator, and information quality is the independent variable. So information quality is the independent variable. So we have provided this information, and now there is a time to click OK. Oh yes, our goodness, this is the moderating effect. So now statistically, we have 3 arrows on dependent variable. One arrow from moderator to dependent variable, second arrow from interaction to dependent variable, and third arrow from independent variable to dependent variable. So the model is statistically complete, and now this is the time to execute our model. This is the second model we are going to test. Which one is the second model? This model, where the moderation comes after
Hello, Usman. Is Lodi Saab online?
No, he's not. He's out of the meeting.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, we can, brother.
Yes, sir, we
Yes,
can
yes.
hear you.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. So, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir. We
Yes,
can
Yes,
sir,
see
we
that.
it is
can.
visible.
Yes,
That's
sir.
okay.
Can you see my screen?
Yes,
Yes,
we
sir.
can.
Okay, this is visible. Okay, that's great. So, yeah, thank you so much. We have this moderating effect, and now this is the time to execute the model bootstrapping. Start. Its relationship is not statistically significant because its p-value is less than 0.05. So this hypothesis is rejected. So we can say that the moderation, we did not find the moderating evidence between the relationship of information quality and dependent variable service quality. So individual performance does not affect statistically significant between the relationship of information quality on service quality. So because its value is not statistically significant, how we can find its value here? Its value is, this p-value is 0.101. So 0.101 mean it should be less than 0.05. So we can reject this hypothesis. Moderation does not work. Moderation does not exist between the relationship of information quality and service quality. But we can find the mediating evidence. Mediation is simple. If you go on the bootstrapping, you can find the specific indirect effects. So in specific indirect effect, the indirect relationship of software quality on information quality on dependent variable service quality. So the relationship of software quality, indirect relationship of software quality on service quality through individual and it is statistically significant, which is the evidence of mediation. So mediation exists, and we can say that there is a mediating relationship, and this variable establish the relationship between two variable like this software quality and this service quality. So mediation the function of mediation is to establish the relationship between two variable. So information quality establishes the relationship between software quality and service quality. But this variable individual performance does not work for as a moderator. It is not creating any difference. It is not influencing the relationship between information quality and service quality. So in this case, we have proven the mediation but not moderation.
Sir,
So we have done, yes, please.
sir, if in a practical grounds we are working on a project and we have collected data and we have analyzed the data, if our moderation doesn't create any effect on the between two variables, so should we again recollect the data, or should we, only prove that our moderation is not working on that particular case? So because we have, my question is that because we have hypothesized in our literature review that this is the moderation, and in practical grounds we are going to collect the data and analyze the data, then what if that particular moderator doesn't show any effect? So should we exclude that particular hypothesis, or should we recollect the data?
No, no, no,
No,
no.
just highlight the
Yes,
result, not again
anyone,
collect.
yes, anyone else who want to give the answer, please.
सर जो भी रिजल्ट आएंगे उनको हम जस्ट रिपोर्ट करेंगे जैसे भी है मॉडरेशन
Yes,
प्रूव
this
या
is the
नहीं
right
किया।
answer
नहीं,
of
सर
हमारा.
मैं बताता हूँ सर, नहीं
We
नहीं,
will
let
not.
me explain. If you are establish a theory that your this is your particular hypothesis regarding your moderation effect between two variables. So if that is not proved, why you have done with all these hypotheses that if you are saying this hypothesis will create a positive or negative effect between these two variables, if that is not proven, so why you have done with the hypothesis? This is my question actually.
Sir, we do not create a theory, we just test the theory. और test
Yes,
के
and it's totally unbiased. The research is unbiased. We just have to report the results. Either
No,
the
I don't
hypothesis is
agree.
rejected or accepted.
I don't agree. Your
May
hypothesis.
sir, may I? Sir, may I?
Yeah, yeah,
Yes,
yeah, sure.
please.
Sir, if the theory is not tested, moderation does not exist. So, in this situation, we will just report the contextual factors that these are the factors, these are the reason that in the particular context, moderation does not exist.
Yes, I am agree.
No, sir. Let me explain. Can I explain in Urdu, please?
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, please.
आज सर इसमें देखें, इसमें होता है कि अगर दो इंटरेक्शन टर्म जो होता है बिटवीन टू वेरिएबल्स, अगर हम लोग इसके जो रिजल्ट्स को इंटरप्रेट करते हैं, आज जितने भी आप पेपर्स उठा के देखें, एकेडमिक जर्नल्स के कोई भी पेपर उठा के देखें, उसमें उन्होंने एक ग्राफ शो किया होता है जो मॉडरेशन इफेक्ट को बता रहा होता है, या तो वो फिर इफेक्ट को स्ट्रॉन्गर करता है या वीकर करता है, ठीक है? तो अगर आपका वो जीरो ही है, ना उसने स्ट्रॉन्ग किया, ना कोई वैल्यू ऐड की, ना वैल्यू एक्सक्लूड की, तो इसमें व्हाई डिड यू पुट दैट पर्टिकुलर हाइपोथेसिस की मॉडरेशन करेगा? इसका लाजमी कोई ना कोई इफेक्ट होता है। ये हमारे वाले पर्टिकुलर केस में हम लोग डमी डेटा लेके यूज कर रहे हैं, हम लोगों ने बकायदा तौर पे इसे एज मॉडरेटर नहीं किया हुआ। ये कभी भी नहीं होता है कि आपका ये
फयाज,
ना
मैं
हो जो आप
नहीं मैं आपको बताता हूँ।
नहीं होता।
जी पहले, हाँ मैंने पहले ना ओपन छोड़ा ये क्वेश्चन, चले बाकी लोग पार्टिसिपेट करें। फयाज, रिसर्च का पर्पस कभी भी ये नहीं होता कि अगर आपके रिजल्ट
सारे हाइपोथेसिस
सर इनका तो ऐसे जा रहा है कि जैसे हमने सोच लिया ना वैसे ही
सारे हाइपोथेसिस हमेशा आ जाए। ऐसा नहीं होता। अगर देखें रिजल्ट नहीं ना आया, आपका मॉडरेशन नहीं निकला, तो नेक्स्ट टाइम जो फ्यूचर के अंदर आपके पेपर पे बेस बना के काम करेगा ना, वो उस डायरेक्शन में नहीं जाएगा जिसमें आप पहले जा चुके हैं। वो कहेगा पहले प्रीवियसली ये काम हुआ है लेकिन इसके मॉडरेशन के एविडेंसेस नहीं मिले, तो वी शुड एक्सप्लोर this new area rather than retesting of the same area. Maybe वो same area पे भी दोबारा से retest कर सकता है अगर आपने उसको properly test ना किया हो, आपका sample proper ना हो, आपके study biased हो या जनरलाइजेबिलिटी ना हो, तो फिर दोबारा
अगर गैप स्पॉटिंग में
अगर आपने प्रॉपर्ली एड्रेस किया और रिलेशन नहीं आया, जी रिलेशन नहीं आया, हाइपोथेसिस रिजेक्ट हो गया।
मीनिंग ये होता है ना कि हम जस्ट हाइपोथेसिस कर रहे हैं।
एग्जैक्टली वो इट
और
माइट बी
रिलेशन आ
नेगेटिव,
सकता
इट
है
माइट
या
बी
नहीं आ
पॉजिटिव।
सकता।
नहीं
हाँ।
देखें,
जी जी
अगर आप डायरेक्ट और इनडायरेक्ट की हाइपोथेसिस को अगर वो नहीं प्रूव हो रहा ना, दैट इज द पर्टिकुलर केस। मगर आपका अगर मॉडरेशन इफेक्ट नहीं ना प्रूव हो रहा, तो उसमें देयर इज सम डिफरेंस। ये कुछ ना कुछ इफेक्ट जरूर लेके आता है, माइनर सा लेके है पॉजिटिव में, जो भी आपका डायरेक्ट और इनडायरेक्ट
सर आई
एक्सप्रेशन हो रहा
थिंक
होता है,
इनका
या
क्वेश्चन
फिर
इस तरह से है कि आपने एग्जांपल दी थी कि सन है और उसकी मदर है, उसके सेंटर में वाइफ आ जाएगी एज अ मॉडरेटर, तो या वो रिलेशन को वीक करेगी या स्ट्रेंथ करेगी। ऐसा नहीं होगा कि वो कुछ भी इफेक्ट ना करे। आई थिंक दिस इज व्हाट ही इज ट्राइंग टू से।
हाँ जी
जी
बिल्कुल,
देखिए
कुछ ना कुछ इफेक्ट होता है, पॉइंट्स में
तो
हो
वी
या फिर नेगेटिव या पॉजिटिव,
मेरे
कुछ ना
भाई
कुछ जरूर होता है,
मेरे
सर
भाई
वरना
वो
फिर उसका आने का
सिग्निफिकेंट
फायदा
होगा
ही नहीं है,
सर,
और
वरना
सर
उसका
ये
पॉजिटिव
देखिए
हाइपोथेसिस
नेगेटिव
करने का
तो
फायदा ही
निकल
नहीं है।
सकता ही है।
नहीं, हाइपोथेसिस इज समथिंग
सर पॉजिटिव
डिफरेंट
नेगेटिव तो
और
निकलता है,
रिलेशनशिप
लेकिन वो
इज डिफरेंट।
सिग्निफिकेंट भी तो होना चाहिए।
जी, कैन यू
हाँ
हियर मी? यस
जी सर, सुन रहे हैं जी
प्लीज।
सर।
देखिए मेरे भाई, हम ये नहीं कह रहे ये रिलेशन जो है वो जीरो है, ये रिलेशन आ रहा है,
हाँ
नेगेटिव
सर
मॉडरेशन आ रही है, लेकिन ये
significance
स्टैटिस्टिकल सिग्निफिकेंट नहीं है। हमने
exactly
सिग्निफिकेंट
हाइपोथेसिस तो पी वैल्यू की बेस पे करना है ना,
exactly
तो रिलेशन कुछ ना कुछ होता है, 0% नहीं आता। हम ये नहीं
हाँ
कह
जी
रहे
वो
कि
तो सर,
रिलेशन आ ही
तो
नहीं
दैट
रहा,
इज व्हाई आई एम
हम ये कह
आस्किंग।
रहे हैं
रिलेशन आ रहा
स्टैटिस्टिकली
है।
सिग्निफिकेंट नहीं आ रहा, स्टैटिस्टिकली सिग्निफिकेंट नहीं आ रहा। और स्टैटिस्टिकल सिग्निफिकेंट का क्राइटेरिया 95% कॉन्फिडेंस इंटरवल है। जब 95% कॉन्फिडेंस इंटरवल हमने रख लिया और हम ये कहते हैं कि अगर 95 से ज्यादा हमारा कॉन्फिडेंस होगा तो हम ये कहेंगे रिलेशन एग्जिस्ट करता है, अगर कम होगा तो हम स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्डली कह देंगे रिलेशन एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता। तो यही तो खामी है बेसिकली क्वांटिटेटिव रिसर्च में, कि हमने टाइप
हाँ
1 एरर टाइप 2 एरर से बचने के लिए हम स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्डली कह देते हैं रिलेशन एग्जिस्ट करता है या रिलेशनशिप एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता। एक्चुअली क्वालिटेटिव रिसर्च जब करते हैं इन डेप्थ स्टडी, तो उधर पता लगता है कि रिलेशन तो वाकई एग्जिस्ट करता है, थोड़ा करता है, लेकिन ऐसा रिलेशन एग्जिस्ट
सर
करता है
इसमें
जिसको
देखिए ना, अगर केस होता है कि अगर गैप स्पॉटिंग में मैं जा रहा हूँ कि नेग्लेक्ट स्पॉटिंग के ऊपर, कि इस किसी बंदे ने इसका रिलेशन जो है ना, हाइपोथेसिस को, सॉरी हाइपोथेसिस कह रहा हूँ, आप मॉडरेशन का इफेक्ट नहीं पहले से चेक हुआ हुआ इस वाली पहले की थ्योरी जो एग्जिस्टिंग है, तो मैं वैल्यूएशन लिटरेचर रिव्यू के अंदर या फिर अपने ये गैप स्पॉटिंग के अंदर मैं लेके पकड़ता हूँ कि यार ये वाले रिलेशन को पहले ऐसे टेस्ट हुआ हुआ है, तो मैं इसमें मॉडरेशन इफेक्ट डाल के इसको टेस्ट करता हूँ कि मॉडरेशन की वजह से ये क्या असर पड़ता है। जैसे कोरोना वायरस जो है, अगर आप उसको सिंपल एक आम बंदे को चेक करते हो, तो वो चीज बताता है कि एक आम बंदे की जिंदगी या उसकी परफॉर्मेंस के ऊपर ये बड़ा नेगेटिव इफेक्ट डालता है। अगर मैं कहता हूँ वो बंदा रिलीजियस है ना, तो उसका वो नेगेटिव की बजाय थोड़ा सा पॉजिटिव या टुवर्ड्स थोड़ा जो ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्ट था उससे थोड़ा सा बफर कर देता है उस इफेक्ट को। यानी कि वो बंदा सोचता है कि यार अगर मुझे कोई बीमारी लगनी है तो मुझे लगनी है, या मुझे कुछ मतलब जो कब्र में रात है वो मतलब बाहर तो नहीं हो सकती, तो वो थोड़ा सा उसका ना पॉजिटिव वाइब्स उसके अंदर आती हैं, तो वो थोड़ा सा पॉजिटिव सोचता है। तो मैं कहता हूँ कि यार बीइंग एज मुस्लिम मेरा एक बड़ा फर्म बिलीव है इसके ऊपर, कि अगर मुझे कुछ अल्लाह की तरफ से होना है तो मुझे ये चीज़ हो जाएगी। तो मेरा वो नेगेटिविटी जो है ना, जो मुझे कोरोना वायरस की वजह से तंग करी थी, वो बीइंग रिलीजियस वो थोड़ा सा पॉजिटिव की तरफ जाएगी और मेरी जो वर्क परफॉर्मेंस वो थोड़ा सा बेटर होगी। अगर बीइंग रिलीजियस इसने कुछ असर ही ना किया उसके ऊपर, तो मेरी तो सारी थ्योरी ही जीरो डंप चली गई। वो लोग कहेंगे यार कि इसने अजीब सी काम किया है कि 3 महीने रिसर्च करता रहा और बाद में पता चला जी रिलीजियस होने का इसके ऊपर कोई असर ही नहीं पड़ा। या तो रिलीजियस होने से मेरे इफेक्ट जो था, वो जो दो डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट का जो भी डिपेंडेंट और इंडिपेंडेंट का, वो या तो वीकर चला जाएगा या फिर थोड़ा सा स्ट्रॉन्गर हो जाएगा। तो दैट इज माय पॉइंट कि आप बिल्कुल सोच समझ के ऐसे वेरिएबल को एज मॉडरेटर लेते हो कि जिसने कुछ ना कुछ इस वाले रिलेशन को या तो स्ट्रॉन्गर कर देता है या फिर वीकर कर देता है। तो दैट इज माय पॉइंट कि जब डेटा कलेक्शन में आपने प्रॉपर्ली डेटा एक्सपोनेंट से नहीं कलेक्ट किया होता,
आज
या
आप
फिर
मुझे ये
बिल्कुल
बताएं, आपने क्वालिटेटिव का कोर्स पढ़ा हुआ है वैसे?
सर आपसे पढ़ा था, मगर वो
नहीं,
उसमें
मुझसे
मतलब
क्वालिटेटिव का कोर्स नहीं पढ़ा मेरा ख्याल है मुझसे आपने ना।
सर वो एक
वैसे
वो एनवीवो का मैंने आपसे वो सॉफ्टवेयर तो सीखा था।
सॉफ्टवेयर सीखा था ना आपने, वो पॉजिटिविज्म इंटरप्रेटिविज्म उस
हाँ जी
वो
सर,
नहीं
वो
पढ़ा, नहीं पढ़ी
फिलोसफी
ontology
फिलोसफी सर पढ़ी
epistemology?
हुई सारी मैं,
हाँ,
कोर्स वर्क में थी सर हमारी फिलोसफीज मैंने सारी पढ़ी हुई है, फिलोसफी ऑफ
फिलोसफी
मैनेजमेंट,
नहीं है ना।
पॉजिटिविज्म और
तो
ये
मेरे
एपिस्टेमोलॉजी वो
मेरे
सारा
जी
पढ़ा।
जी मेरे भाई वही मैं बात कह रहा हूँ कि क्वांटिटेटिव में हम बाउंड होते हैं बीटा शीटा वैल्यूज पे, हम बाउंड होते हैं 95 कॉन्फिडेंस इंटरवल पे। हमें पता होता है कि रिलेशन एग्जिस्ट करता है, लेकिन हम बाउंड होते हैं। हम अगर पी वैल्यू 0.05 से कम नहीं आ रही, ठीक है,
जी सर।
0.55 भी आ रही है, हमें पता है रिलेशन एग्जिस्ट करता है और ये थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस आ रहा है, उसके बावजूद
जी
हम हाइपोथेसिस एग्जिस्ट करते हैं वो रिजेक्ट कर देते हैं, ये कहते हुए कि रिलेशन एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता। दिस इज द
नहीं वो
डिसएडवांटेज।
स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं है जितना, हाँ ठीक हो
नहीं
गया।
स्ट्रांग नहीं है, हम कहते हैं रिलेशन है ही नहीं। ठीक है ना, हाइपोथेसिस क्या था कि देयर इज अ रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन दिस वेरिएबल एंड दिस वेरिएबल, और नल क्या था, देयर इज नो रिलेशनशिप। तो नो को हम स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्डली रिजेक्ट एक्सेप्ट कर लेते हैं। रीजन क्या है कि बिकॉज आप यू आर बाउंड ऑन द।
बट सर जो इसका हाइपोथेसिस होता है ना, इसका मॉडरेटर का, वो हाइपोथेसिस ये होता है कि दिस स्ट्रॉन्गर द रिलेशन बिटवीन दिस एंड दिस वीकर द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन दिस एंड दिस। इफ दैट डजंट वीकर और स्ट्रॉन्गर द रिलेशन, तो व्हाई वुड यू हैव पुट दिस इनटू द हाइपोथेसिस। तो सर ये बात की डिबेट हम लोग कभी बाद में इस पे बात कर लेंगे, क्योंकि मेरी ये बहुत लंबी वो हमारी कन्वर्सेशन हुई थी जब हमारा कोर्स चल रहा था ना। तो उन्होंने हमारे वो जो सुपरवाइजर थे उन्होंने ये क्वेश्चन किया था कि अगर आपने हाइपोथेसिस में डाल दिए एक बड़ा सोच समझ के चुन के कि ये वाला जो मॉडरेटर है ना, ये वाला जो डायरेक्ट टू इनडायरेक्ट रिलेशन को स्ट्रॉन्ग करेगा या वीक करेगा, अगर ये नहीं करता तो इस पे क्या आप कहाँ खड़े हो। इट मीन्स कि आपने जब वो गैप स्पॉटिंग पे एनालिसिस किया या वर्किंग की ना, तो आपने बड़ा आई गेस
Yes, yes, yes.
सर नहीं है मेरे ख्याल से, एग्जिस्ट नहीं करे ग्रुप में।
I think sir नहीं show रहा।
अच्छा मैं कंटिन्यू करता हूँ कि हमारे सुपरवाइजर थे ना, उन्होंने ये कहा था कि अगर आपका मॉडरेटर जो है ना कोई भी इफेक्ट क्रिएट नहीं करता, तो आपने बहुत गलती की है उसको एज मॉडरेटर चुनने में, क्योंकि आपने पहले कहा था कि बीइंग एज
मॉडरेटर
रिलीजियस।
लेने से पहले भी चेक करना होता है कि उस
हाँ
मॉडरेटर
हाँ
ने
जी,
कहीं एज अ मॉडरेटर पहले भी रोल प्ले किया हो, तभी हम उसे ले सकते हैं, वरना हम उसे ले भी नहीं सकते।
हाँ एग्जैक्टली, आपने पहले देखना है कि उसका आपकी पर्टिकुलर स्टडी के अंदर क्या इम्पैक्ट होगा। अगर इट डजंट क्रिएट एनी इम्पैक्ट,
एग्जैक्टली।
तो व्हाई डिड यू चूज एज द मॉडरेटर। तो उसका कुछ ना कुछ इम्पैक्ट होना चाहिए होता है,
मॉडरेटर
और
इज
वो
एक्चुअली कि अगर आपके पास
अगर
आईवी अगर आपका स्कूल है और डीवी आपकी अगर यूनिवर्सिटी है, सो योर मॉडरेटर ऐसा होना चाहिए जिसको एज अ कैटलिस्ट काम करे। आई थिंक दिस इज द केमिस्ट्री टर्म, कैटलिस्ट मीन स्ट्रेंथ दे या वीक कर दे उसे, पर
बिल्कुल
कुछ
ऐसा ही
करे।
है।
ठीक
हाँ
है,
कुछ ये वीकर
चीजें
करता है,
क्लियर
ये
हो गए।
स्ट्रॉन्गर करता है इस तरह रिलेशन को। सर हम लोग कंटिन्यू करते हैं जो आप बता रहे थे। तो हेलो लोधी साहब आ गए?
हाँ जी 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 जी, मैं आ गया हूँ। आवाज आ रही है ना मेरी आपको?
हाँ जी सर, आपकी आवाज़ सुन ली क्लियर।
जी, हम फिर नेक्स्ट
एक
मॉडल पे
चीज
चलते।
सर, मैं
ठीक
एक
सर,
जी
नेक्स्ट
चीज
मॉडल।
फयाज
जी
के लिए
प्लीज।
ऐड करूंगी सर। जब हम लोग पीएचडी का या एमफिल का थीसिस टॉपिक हम सिलेक्ट करते हैं, तो हमें कहा जाता है कि यू कीप इट ओपन। अगर आप उसको पहले ही से बता दें कि ये चीज, ये वेरिएबल इस रिलेशनशिप को मॉडरेट या मीडिएट करेगा, तो हमें सर ने कहा था, सर आप ही थे मेरे सुपरवाइजर, आपने कहा था कि यू आर श्योर कि ये वेरिएबल इन दोनों वेरिएबल्स के, इंडिपेंडेंट और इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल के दरमियान में मीडिएटर या मॉडरेटर का रोल प्ले कर रहा है। तो फिर डाटा कलेक्शन का क्या फायदा है जब आप ऑलरेडी श्योर हैं कि इन दोनों के दरमियान में, आप तो चेक कर रहे हैं ना, आप तो टेस्ट कर रहे हैं कि ये मॉडरेट करेगा या मीडिएट करेगा या नहीं।
जी
मैं इसका थोड़ा सा एग्जांपल बताता
चले,
हूँ।
फयाज मेरी बात सुने, 10 मिनट रह गए हैं, उसके बाद ना
ठीक है
फिर
सर,
ये
आप अपना
वाइंड अप हो
सेशन
जाएगा।
कीजिए।
हाँ
ठीक
जी,
है ठीक
आपकी
है,
मेहरबानी।
सेशन
पता है, हम
कंप्लीट।
डेविएट हो जाएंगे, ये डिबेट ऐसी डिबेट है कि थोड़ा सा हमें इसमें ओपन रहना पड़ेगा, ठीक है ना, एक
जी
दूसरे
सर,
को एक्सेप्ट करके। बाकी चीजें गूगल है, चीजें हम उधर से भी लर्न कर लेंगे। तो अब इसको वाइंड अप, बड़ी मेहरबानी आपकी, थैंक यू। देखें, ये तो मॉडल हमने डिस्कस कर लिया, ये वाला। अब हम थोड़े से कॉम्प्लिकेटेड मॉडल की तरफ आते हैं। जिस तरह ये जो मॉडल था, शायद ये हमने पहले डिस्कस नहीं किया था, जिसमें एक ही वेरिएबल एक ही टाइम में मॉडरेटिंग रोल भी प्ले करता है और इंडिपेंडेंट रोल भी प्ले करता है। इस पर्टिकुलर
ये
मॉडल
लास्ट
को
वेरिएबल है, ये लास्ट मॉडल है 74।
74 है, इसको देख लेते हैं। चलें, दिस इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड आई नीड टू ड्रा द न्यू डायग्राम। इसको मैं न्यू डायग्राम को ड्रा करता हूँ इधर। तो एक वक्त में ये एक वेरिएबल इंडिपेंडेंट रोल भी प्ले कर रहा है और डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल का रोल भी प्ले कर रहा है। तो एक ही टाइम में ये आईवी भी है और इसी दूसरे टाइम पे ये आईवी है, लेट्स सपोज, और ये मॉडरेटर भी है, एम भी है, मॉडरेटर भी है। लेकिन चले एम बाद में देखते हैं। ये आईवी है, ये एम है, मीडिएटर है। मीडिएटर क्या करता है, रिलेशनशिप एस्टेब्लिश करता है, और ये डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल है। और ये आईवी के साथ साथ क्या है, मॉडरेटर भी है। मॉडरेटर क्या करता है, रिलेशन को चेंज करता है। तो इसमें हमारे पास दो मॉडल्स आ जाएंगे। अगर इसको स्टैटिस्टिकली ड्रॉ करें, इसको नीचे से हम डिलीट कर देते हैं। अगर इसको स्टैटिस्टिकली ड्रा करें तो कैसे करेंगे इसको ड्रा? स्टैटिस्टिकली हम कह रहे हैं कि ये किसके रिलेशन को चेंज कर रहा है? इंडिपेंडेंट मीडिएटर और डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल के रिलेशन को ये चेंज कर रहा है। तो इस यानी कि इस वक्त हम इसको क्या डिक्लेयर कर रहे हैं? मीडिएटर को हम इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर कर रहे हैं और इसको डिक्लेयर कर रहे हैं हम डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल। ये डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल लिखा हुआ है, ये इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल हो गया और इसको हम डिक्लेयर करेंगे एज मॉडरेटर। इस पे 3 एरोज लग जाएंगे, यानी डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल पे कौन कौन से 3 एरो लगेंगे? एक एरो लगेगा मॉडरेटर का, यानी ए का, ये वाले ए का। दूसरा एरो इस पे लगेगा, द सेकंड एरो वी आर गोइंग टू पुट द सेकंड एरो ऑफ moderator, this B, and the third arrow we are going to put the third arrow, and the third arrow will be the interaction term. And how will create the interaction term? A multiplied by B. So in this way we can put the 3 arrows on this particular variable. Okay, now this is the time to select, and I need to delete this variable, and this software quality is serving as independent variable as well as moderating variable, IV as well as M moderator. And this variable is, let's suppose this variable is IV. So at this moment this is not IV, this is M moderating variable, because it is impacting this relationship, the relationship between IV and DV, and it is serving as moderator. So now how we can draw this particular diagram? This is very simple, and we need to put the interaction term. So this one is the dependent variable. Normally we create the moderating effect on dependent variable. Right click, add moderating effect. So here we need to define the moderator and independent variable. So this service quality is dependent variable. Now we need to define the moderator. Which one is the moderator? Moderator is software quality. Which one is the independent variable? Independent variable is information quality. So information quality is IV, and software quality is moderator. So we need to click OK. This is the interaction term. If you expand this interaction term, you can find how we have created this interaction term. We have created this interaction term by multiplying the information quality. Information quality mean we multiply it by the moderator with software quality. Software quality is the IV. Software quality is the software quality, information quality is the IV, and software quality is the moderator. Yes. So software quality is the moderator here. We can note, we have to shuffle their position and the results will be same. A software quality is the moderator, not independent variable. Here it is the moderator because it is influencing the relationship between independent variable and dependent variable. So software quality here is the moderator, and independent variable here is the information quality. It is the independent variable. So we will if we multiply this independent variable with mediator, then we will have the product moderating effect. So this one is, we can simply execute this model and we'll have the results. So this is very simplest model. This is not very complicated model, but the next model we are going to discuss here is a little bit complicated, but not too much, because you people are doing your practice, and inshallah we'll make it. So this is another model which is a little bit complicated. This model, we can also do this particular model, or we can do this particular model. Yesterday we already did it, so we can repeat and revise this step. So if I could right click, save this image, or sorry, copy this image, right click, copy image, and paste in the new diagram, paint this one. So here we need to ignore this variable, this particular variable, ignore this variable. Now we need to take this variable independent variable and this variable mediator as dependent variable and this variable as moderator variable. This is the first model, first interaction term. And in the second interaction term, we need to give the status of dependent variable, this dependent variable y, and then this mediator as IV, independent variable, and this one as is the moderator. So there would be two interaction terms. So in the first step, we need to give the status of mediator as dependent variable, but in for the next interaction term, we need to give the status of independent variable to the mediator variable. So then we'll have the two interaction terms. So this is also very simple, not very complicated, because you people already did a lot of exercise. I believe you people are doing this exercise, and inshallah we'll make it, we'll complete it. So in this case, we need to put two, I need to delete this interaction term. I need to put one more variable. This is the parallel mediation, this particular parallel mediation. And I need to connect this variable and then this variable. And I need to rename its name, for example, IP. IP mean not IP, PP, maybe PP, process performance. So this variable is the process performance. I need to put the indicators of process performance on this particular variable. Now I need to put the moderator. So moderator is influencing two relationship. The same moderator is influencing the two relationships. So I need to highlight, I need to hide the indicators, and this is the moderator. Moderator is holding this position, and if I draw the arrows, it is influencing this relationship, it is influencing this relationship. I hope you people can understand. This is the picture, and if I open it, the same picture you can find. Where is the picture? This one. So it is influencing the two relationship of mediator, before mediator and after mediator. So one relationship of it is influencing this moderator M is influencing the relationship of IV and mediator. IV and mediator. So this moderator is influencing the relationship of independent variable and mediator. And similarly, on the other side, this particular mediator is influencing the relationship between mediator and dependent variable. So this is the dual effect, and one by one we are going to discuss. So statistically, what we are going to do, statistically we need to put the three arrows. We need to put the three arrows. One arrow on this particular variable. So if we put this arrow on this particular variable, it's mean this variable has become the dependent variable. Information quality has become the dependent variable. Now it is independent variable, it is dependent variable, and it is moderator. Now we assume that this variable does not exist. We just ignore this variable, and we also ignore the last variable, which is also ignored already. No need to put those variable, one or two variable. So now this is the time to put the indicators of these variable, like this one is the information quality individual performance. So I need to rename it as individual performance, and I need to give the indicators. Yes, this one. I can hide them, no problem. So now if I put my arrow on this particular relationship, it has become the dependent variable. Now I need to right click on this dependent variable, add moderating effect. Software is asking which one is the independent, which one is the dependent, and which one is the moderator. So software already know that information quality is the dependent variable. So information quality is the dependent variable. Software already know this information quality is the dependent variable. DV, this one, DV, dependent variable. Software know, but I this first relationship, we have made it this particular relationship tick done, but this is not done, this is missing. This is what we are going to do in the next step. So here now we need to make it dependent variable. In the next step, now this is time to make this variable as dependent variable, this variable as independent variable, and this variable as moderator. So we are assuming that this moderator is influencing the relationship between IV and DV. So now what we are going to do, we need to right click on this dependent variable and add moderating effect. So software is asking which one is the dependent variable. So we right click on service quality. So service quality is the dependent variable. Software already declared it as dependent variable. So now I need to put the information about the moderator. Which one is the moderator? Yes, M. Which one is the M? Individual performance. So in real performance,